up you guys, it is Janita here, aka Jay, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about color correct. What is color correcting? So color correcting is when people put all these weird colors, which you've probably seen in some random videos or whatever, where people put orange under their eyes, or they put green in certain places, or peach, yellow, just random colors that you'll be like, okay, what's going on here? So color correcting is when you basically put a contrasting color on your face. So say you're trying to hide the dark circles under your eye, you'll put a peach color on and then you put your foundation on, and it neutralizes your skin basically, so it makes it look like you have no dark circles anymore. So people that have pigmentation, redness, all those kind of things, is really good for your base basically, so for under your skin. I don't use color correcting as much, so this is like kind of my first time doing color correcting. I have researched about it a bit. I am going to show you what I know. So I went along to Farmers and I bought myself a color correcting palette. This one says Wet n Wild Cover All Concealer Palette. See, there's 4 colors here. I'll bring that closer. So the peach color here is for under eyes. Any dark circles you may have, any acne scars you may have, you pop it on that, and then you put your foundation on top just to neutralize everything. Okay, green, this one here, this is for neutralizing. So what neutralizing means is to cover any redness you may have. So most people have like redness around here, around your nose area, or wherever. If you have a pimple that you've just popped and it's red, pop it on. Okay, so it's for those spots, those red spots there. Okay, so then there's one here that comes with cover. You can put that on top of your acne again to cover the areas, but then again it's just like concealer. So sometimes what other people do with concealer is they'll put their own concealer on, for example my NARS concealer, and then they put the foundation on top. I usually do it the other way around. I put my foundation and then I put the concealer on top. It can work with many things. This one also comes with a highlighter, so you can put highlighter underneath and then put your foundation on top. But then again, like I said, I always do things the opposite way because it's opposite day every day. I put my foundation on and then I put a highlighter on, because I feel like you can't see much of the highlighter unless you're putting those real brightening highlighters on, which you see on some people's tutorials, which is liquid highlighter and then they just kind of put it all over their face and then they put their foundation on to get that glowy dewy look. Might try that one day actually. So now that I've talked you through this, there's also a yellow color which comes with some things. I didn't get it because I don't want to, I don't feel the need to. So you can use the yellow color to brighten your skin. So yellow you could use around under your eyes again, on your forehead, just around your upper lip area and around your chin to kind of brighten the area up, and then put your foundation on. It looks good on people that I've seen put this stuff on. So without further ado, without talking too much, let's get started. So we're going to start with my Cool Ads Clinique gel here. Pop that on. Put this on. Hey! So put the Clinique gel on. Now we're going to prime our skin with the Pore Professional primer. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, this is actually my dark circles. Like, I don't feel like it's that bad, but I feel like this eye is a little bit worse than this eye. But yeah, like normally I don't really care about my dark circles because it's not that dark, huh? By the way, I did just turn 25 and this is my birthday backdrop. Alright, now that we put our primer on, we're gonna get straight into the color correcting. How do you open this? This is a Wet n Wild product. It was $8.99 from Farmers in New Zealand. Yeah, like, I mean, $8.99, what a bargain. We're gonna go with that. At the moment, I am going to use the peach color just under my eyes. I know I'm using an eyeshadow brush for this because I didn't bring any other brushes with me. So, you know what? Your girl is just gonna end up using her fingers. Like now. So we're just gonna put wee bit. This is a peach color, by the way, and I know what you're thinking, like, oh my god Jay, what you up to? But believe me, it looks a lot better afterwards. Okay, I'm also going to put this peach color on my acne and just dabbing it to blend it in. Okay, so now green is for places where it is a little bit reddened. I can only think of these two areas which are reddened for me, but like I don't feel the need to use that green as much. Okay, and then we're going in with this concealer color and I'm just going to use it as a brightening color. Because I don't have a yellow, I'm just going to use it as that. Ooh. Wow, looking good. So this is color correcting so far. So I've just used the concealer color, which is the light browny yellowy toned one, just on my upper lip, on my chin and on my forehead to kind of brighten those areas. I've used the peachy color on under my eyes. It kind of looks all the same color but on camera, but you know, it is actually different, guys. And then so a peach under your eyes, some peach on my acne here, and then some green just over here because it's a little bit red. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, so this is my color correcting so far. I know I look like a crazy woman, but we're just gonna put some foundation over my skin, not blending all of this out because you kind of want it to stay. So you just don't want the harsh lines, so maybe just unharsh them. Sorry, I just wanted to say that. Just blend it in so there's no harsh lines. Just like so. Okay, I feel like that's made my skin really dry. So I am going to use Prep and Prime on top. Blech. And I just dropped things. Okay, so pop some foundation on your hand and start putting this on. Can't believe how ghostly I look. Kind of scaring myself at this moment, but we'll go with it. Using my awesome as paddle brush from BYS, I believe we are going to cover this. Alright, you don't need to see me do this. Just putting foundation all over my face, but we'll be right back. So we are back. After putting foundation on, this is what my skin looks like. It actually looks pretty good. I feel like my dark circles are covered. I mean, my dark circles, you can't really compare them. I mean, it used to be kind of covered if you just put foundation on. But my acne, however, because they leave quite dark spots, and I feel like that's actually done a good job. It's actually covered it. Surprisingly, it actually works. So that was my color correcting video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Let's keep it short, sweet and simple. Jay out.